Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create a spreadsheet on Google Sheet. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead to our email address. So once we are here, we can notice on the upper right on our screen, this icon. We're just going to click this one. And basically, we can see here Drive. So we're going to click that. And right after that, we will be routed on our G Drive. And if you notice on the left part of our screen, we have here New. So we're going to click this one. And right after that, we can notice Google Sheets. So we're going to click this one. And basically, we will be routed to an empty spreadsheet wherein we can input the necessary data that we have. So the very first thing that we are going to do then is to rename this one. So just like for example, we're going to name this as first quarter grades. So it's like for example like that, and we're going to enter. So basically it will be automatically saved once we have some changes using a spreadsheet. So this time we can now start inputting the data. So just like for example, we are going to input here names. So and we can also incorporate here the scores. So we're just going to input scores on quiz 1. So we can also input here. So we can also drag this one to your right. So we can have here quizzes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically, we now have 4 columns in order for us to input the scores of our students. So by this time, we can input the names of our students and so on and so forth. So by this time, we can now input the scores. So just like for example, 20, 23, 23, so 15, and so on. So another thing, we can also modify this by creating a table so that it would be easier for us to notice the data. So we're just going to click this icon and basically click this one as well. So we now have a table on our spreadsheet. So we can also adjust in terms of the alignment. So we're going to make this one into the center part. So just like that. So with that, we now have our spreadsheet. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create a spreadsheet on Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.